As we reported a few weeks ago, the Bridgewater-Rainham High School robotics team has been working hard on their robot for the 19th annual First Robotics Competition season. You may remember that the competition is nationwide and it pits 3 randomly assigned schools against another group of 3 to see whose robot can score the most goals using soccer balls. The team's chief executive officer, Wes Clark, told us how many hours they've been putting into the project.
It's been about 15 hours a week, and then this week we're really putting a lot more on. This week's every day, 2 to 10.
Doug Stewart, the chief building officer, explained how the team designed the robot to traverse the difficult terrain of the course.
We have our wheel, these are wheel chucks, and these type of wheels have rollers that move sideways in addition to their motion this way. They're called omni wheels because they move in all directions. You can slide them this way, you can move them that way, or any combination of the two. And then we have them on these brackets so that we can mount them on the corners like this. Typically on the robot you have them this way, and then you drive forward and backward, and then your turning is by moving some of them backward and some forward, which causes the whole system to turn. Ours, we go like this, and so to drive forward, we have a combination of wheels moving in every direction but forward. This one would move this way, like this. There's another one that moves out, and then the front two do the opposite.
The BR team also had to create a unique way for the robot to score points.
So we have what's called a pneumatic piston. It's kind of like a hydraulic system where it pulls the force of air in a closed container, pulls the rod back, and then it loads up our foot, and then we have some latches that grab onto it, and then when we want to kick the ball, we have that there, we just pull the latches, and then it slams forward and throws it over.
The team had a practice run against other teams this past Saturday in Southfield, Connecticut, and was allowed to make changes until Tuesday when the robot was shipped out for their competition on March 9th. BTW will keep you up to date on their progress throughout the 2010 competition season. From Bridgewater this week, this is Sean Murphy.